my channel. Today we are going to learn in Vedic Maths what is digit sum. Digit sum, as those words says, this is the sum of all the digits of a given number. That is called digit sum. So how to find the digit sum, that we learn today, and also what is the use of this digit sum and how to use the digit sum, and all those we are going to learn today. First, let us see what is digit sum and how to find. Okay. Suppose the number is 27. Find the digit sum of 27. How to find? Add these two numbers, sum of all the digits of the number. So this is 2 plus 7, that is 9. The digit sum of 27 is 9. Okay, suppose if we take one more, 183. Suppose the number is 183, what is the digit sum? See this. What you should do? Sum of all the numbers. 1 plus 8 plus 3. That is 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. But 12 is not the digit sum. Digit sum should be find the sum of all the number and bring it into single digit. So 12 also we should bring it into single digit. That will be 1 plus 2. So that the digit sum is 3. Okay. Now let us see one more with a little bigger number. So let us write 2389. So what is the digit sum for 2389? Okay. What we should do? Find the sum of all the numbers and bring it into single digit. So 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 is not the digit sum because it is 2-digit number. Bring it into single digit by adding those two numbers. 22 is the answer, but that is not the digit sum. 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 4 is the digit sum for this number. Okay. One more we are going to. Let us take the number little bigger. 23,834. Okay. The 5-digit number. Whatever the number, maybe 2-digit, 3-digit, 4 or 5, digit sum is always add all the number, bring it into single digit. Okay. So what is the digit sum for this? That is, write it. 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4. What is the number? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 is not the digit sum. 20 should be written as 2 plus 0. So the digit sum is 2. This is how we have to find the digit sum. This digit sum is also called digital root. And in Vedic Mathematics, this is called Vijank. Okay. So how to use this digit sum or digital root or Vijank? Let us see now. Okay. Okay, then for what reason it can be used, that we learn? Digit sum will be used for the verification of the numbers, or like verification of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, this is used for verification of the numbers. See, once if the children are doing the sums, maybe it is addition or subtraction or multiplication, if we say check it once again whether it is correct or not, but that is the boring job for kids. Again, we have to add all the numbers. Again, we have to multiply. Or again, we have to do the same sum to check. That is boring job for the kid. But if they use this method, they can verify without doing the actual process, maybe addition, subtraction, or multiplication, can verify whether it is correct or not. Okay, let us see that. Suppose the number is like this. First, let us do addition and verify that. Verify the answers by digit sum method. Okay. Verify the answer by digit sum method. First one is this. First we will do a addition and then we verify this. 13 plus 28. Okay. So answer is 41. Answer is already written. But whether this is correct or not, that we should find by using digit sum. We know how to find the digit sum, right? What we should do now? 1 plus 3, that is 4. Okay? And add this also. 2 plus 8, that is 10. But 10 is not the digit sum. Digit sum should be single digit. Now, this is addition. As this is addition, add these two numbers. 4 plus 1. So, digit sum is 5. For the given sum, digit sum we got 5. Now, what we should do? We should check with the answer. Okay? See, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. We got the same answer, same number. Here we got 5, here also 5. Means when we do the digit sum for the given numbers, the question, we got 5. And if we find the digit sum for answer, there also we got 5. If we get the same number for both, our answer is correct. So, see, these two are correct. What we can say? Answer is correct. The answer what we got 41 is correct. Okay. Can we check one more? This is for addition we have done. Let us do it for a simple sum like subtraction. I am doing with a simple sum so that you can understand better. It can be used for any number of, any question, any number, any big number also. Let us see one more with the subtraction. Okay. 68 minus 22. What will be the answer? 4 and 6. Right? 46 the answer. Whether this answer is correct or not, that we have to check. We know how to do. See, every time it is not necessary to write that and add and write and bring it to the single digit. Directly also it can be written. I am writing because you will understand how to do that. Without writing all the plus 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 and then answer, directly by doing the mental maths also we can do it. That also we will do it later. 6 plus 6 plus 8. That is 14. Which is sum we got 5 here. I wrote it directly. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Here 2 plus 2. That is 4. This is minus because we have minus here. So if you minus, you get 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. Now check with the answer. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 means it is 1 plus 0. I'll write directly 1. 10 plus 0, 1. Here we got 1, here also 1. So the answer is correct. So what answer we got? 46 is correct here. Okay. This is how we'll use it for subtraction. Even we can use this for multiplication. Let us do one small sum product of the numbers. Okay. I'll take the number, a simple one. This is for verification for multiplication. Okay. 123 multiplied by 231. Answer is also already there. 2, 8, 4, 1, 3. This is the answer. Question is there. Answer is also there. Now, what we should do? We have to verify by using digit sum. Let us check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. See. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. And this is 2 plus 3 plus 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1. That is how much? 6. See here. This is into multiplication. This also you have to multiply. That is 36. 36 means 3 plus 6, that is 9. Digit sum is 9. Now let us check for the answer whether we'll get the same number or not. If we get same number, answer is correct. If not, answer may be wrong. So 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3. Okay. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is 1 plus 8. That is equal to 9. So that we got same number. So the given answer is correct. This is how we are going to use the digit sum or digital root or Bijan to verify the answer without doing the actual process of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If you teach this to the kids, so when they do these sums, they can check it then and there, and all this can be done it mentally. Once if they process, if they do it more and more sums, very easily they can check it easily. So that also we will do it in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.